Day 3 of the Jamaica Stock Exchange's Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference. I am Rochelle Moncrief, and right now I am joined by Mr. Angus Young. He's the CEO of NCB Capital Markets. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Young.
Thank you for having me.
How are you enjoying the conference so far?
I think the conference is extremely buoyant. We're on our third day, and it's still rammed out to capacity with a high temperature. So I think the conference has gone extremely well.
Excellent. Now, yesterday on the main stage, you expressed NCB Capital Markets' commitment to supporting the government of Jamaica.
Sure.
How important is a public-private collaboration when it comes to building economic or strengthening economic resilience?
It's extremely important. I think we both play very meaningful roles in the development of Jamaica. NCB's capital markets, one of our mandates is to mobilize capital into projects that are impactful to the country, to improve the standard of living of Jamaicans. Anywhere we operate, we partner with the governments to be that arm of the private sector that mobilizes capital into projects that improve the standard of living in that country.
Excellent. Now, NCB Capital Markets is the primary local sponsor here at the JSC conference. Why is it so important for you to continue to sponsor the conference year after year?
And NCB Capital Markets is a regional firm. So we're in Barbados, Trinidad, Cayman Islands, Jamaica. Anywhere we operate, you will see us being very deliberate with playing our role to develop the domestic ecosystem wherever we operate. So we are the pole position, we are the leaders in Jamaica where investment banking and asset and wealth management is concerned. So we must take a leadership role in developing the domestic ecosystem through strategies like sponsoring conferences like this.
With all the geopolitical developments and the climate challenges impacting the region, why should investors remain confident in the Caribbean's capital markets?
Well, I think one of the central themes of this year's conference, well, I should say what I spoke towards was making the region investable, globally investable. So we have new risks. Geopolitics is in our backyard. We have climate-related risk, the Hurricane Melissa, Beryl, etc. So we have to create an environment that compensates global capital if they choose to deploy it in our region. We have to create that ecosystem, that environment here in the Caribbean to compensate that capital for the new risks that are emerging in the region.
Excellent, excellent. Is there any message that you would like to leave with our audience before you go?
I would really like everyone who's involved, the broker-dealer community, financial institutions, regulators, the government. I would really like us all to be responsible, to work together, and to put Jamaica first in building a better Jamaica.
Excellent. Thank you so much for talking with us.
Thanks for having me.
Enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.
That was Mr. Angus Young, CEO of NCB Capital Markets. I am Rochelle Moncrief. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to CBX, your region, your business, your source.
I'm trading stocks to achieve my financial goals.
I'm also trading stocks to achieve my financial goals.
Start a conversation with the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
Check jamstockx.com for information and a list of registered stockbrokers. You can also call the Jamaica Stock Exchange at 876-967-3271 for information on how to begin. I am achieving my financial goals.
I'm achieving my financial goals.